Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Today, April the 11th, 2022, and stuff like that. Watching church online and stuff like that, which I was happy about. You know, a wonderful day to praise the Lord. It's a beautiful day out here. Cause every time I go in the back, I get disconnected. You know. All right, so these caterpillars. Well, I'm not gonna show it on my video on my live stream though. Okay, it kind of drizzled out here a little bit. Yeah, that chair right there, for Shamika. She got new stuff over there. Never mind that. All right, there we go. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm totally happy about what's going on in my life though. Hmm and I finally met Erica's son for the first time. I always wanted to meet her children though, but unfortunately I only met one, Zelly. Okay, and then I seen Erica. I was totally happy to see her. Well, geez, I'm confused. I call her my girlfriend, but the way I think about it, I just want to be her best friend though. So so the way I think about it is just that I can't I can't be doing her like that. Hmm So the thing is though, I think I should just do a vote. And eventually Dominique gonna see this video. I don't know if she watch YouTube or whatever. Jeez. Mm. Well, I don't know what kind of vote I'm gonna do because honestly I'm not Flavor Flav. I'm Domino 7. I'm not, like I said, I'm not Flavor Flav. I'm Domino 7. Okay, that's who I am. And then my bus driver friend, he always calling me a player. Let me tell y'all something. I used to be a player a long time ago. Yeah, I used to be a player. Player. Domino. Sprinkle my mind cause I'm going crazy. Sprinkle my mind cause I'm going wild. I'm just joking. I'm not going crazy, I'm just saying that. I made that song up years ago, okay? I think I made that song up either in 1998 or 1999. Yo. Well, I used to rap, but I'm garbage at rapping. So yeah, the Facebook Live rap. So the Louisiana purchases is on the street. Hey, W7 here, sprinkling my lyrics and they don't even make sense. Play. Yes. And you know what? Her children love Sonic. She didn't tell me that they love Sonic. Okay. And by the way, I can't wait to meet AJ though. And I sure wish Tanya was watching. Good Lord. Erica remind me of Tanya right now. The only difference about I'm laughing because what I'm about to say. Well, the only difference is Erica's fine like wine with a big old booty. Uh-oh. You know what? Brittany told me if I upset Erica, she gonna whip me. Yeah. Yeah, she said, Domino, I'ma whip your booty. Yes, indeed. I know it. I know they all gonna watch this video eventually. So I say, yo, doing my thing, doing my stuff, and hanging out on the crown, like saying Crown Royal. I don't drink that, so I just say it ain't here no more, or it never was here any day. Hey, whatever I'm going to say, blah blah blah, yakily schmackily on that. So I'm a gamer and a YouTuber, gamer YouTubing on top and the bottom. Yo, doing my thing, doing this here like playing Mario 75. Player. Domino. Sprinkle my mind cause I drink a lot of soda. Sprinkle my mind cause I'm reaching the top. Okay. Yeah. I'm not that much of a rapper no more. And you know something, yo? And I want to let you know something. I never knew my auntie was so hip, you know, because well, she sure want me to mention her name, so I'm not going to mention her name, okay? Because she sure want me to mention her name. So I'm going to, yeah, because, you know, I have another auntie that's hip. Yeah, she cool, too. Yeah, she going to enjoy this, though. I wonder if Erica gonna enjoy this, and I'm pretty sure Tanya gonna enjoy this. You know, yeah, Tanya, if you're watching this, I miss your friend, ex-girlfriend. Yeah, but obviously Tanya is married to Sherman Lee. Okay, ooh, I made a mistake. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. My bad. You know. All right, so nobody knows what's up. So like I said, that wasn't my intentions to go that far. I apologize though. So sometimes I go too far. I do go too far. I try not to. You understand? I tries not to. I'm only human, you know. So yeah, Will Smith is human, yeah, but I still say that Will Smith should have did what he did. And then a couple of people saying Jada Pinkett Smith's still in love with Tupac. I don't know how true that is though, you know. All right, so as I'm doing some uploads right here, you know. So gaming is not the only thing I do, but you know something? Gaming, y'all. I love playing video games, and pretty soon I'm gonna be doing double or triple gameplays, you know, or 6-time gameplays, uploading the game in one video, okay, like Mario, Donkey Kong, Sonic, you know, Zelly and AJ love Sonic. Well, let me switch that around. AJ and Zelly love Sonic, you know, okay. I haven't met AJ yet, you know. I wish I could have met him though. Hopefully I'll meet him, but at least I met Traylon, Tanya's oldest son. She have 2 more children, a daughter and another son. Okay. Well, Tanya don't know what I know, so like I said though, as far as Tanya goes, we gonna see each other again though. Okay. Jesus. Irritation in the throat, y'all. Okay? Alright. So, alright. So, anyway, y'all, I'm not going to go to Riley's graduation, you know. So anyway, she'll have enough tickets for everybody, you know. But that's okay, you know. You know, because of COVID and stuff, they give these people a certain amount of tickets, 3 or 4, I guess. You know, so or should I just go to the, well, I don't even know I forgot what a graduation is. You know, but y'all gonna watch the graduation party. You know. Y'all gonna watch the graduation party and stuff like that. Film that Blossom's graduation, you know, which I'm happy about, you know. Yep. Graduate out of 8th grade, you know. These days ain't what it used to be. At first, it went from elementary, junior high school, senior high. Some are middle school. Some was middle school back then. Okay. So yeah. I kind of wonder, should I go and interview my cousin Blossom if she want to be interviewed? I'll bring my good camera with me, okay? Or should I do this on YouTube Live? You know, but who knows? And by the way, I enjoy watching church on YouTube. Thank God it's not just on Facebook. I rather watch it on my television. Broadcasting on YouTube and stuff like that. That makes it easy for me. I can I can lay in my bed and watch it on my television. So I'm gonna watch a church service in reruns. In reruns. So yeah, okay. So playing football, basketball, and hockey and stuff like that. So I hope y'all been watching my gameplays though. If not, you don't know what you're missing. All right. So thank God I can use video pad on my laptop again. So at least everything is in ship shape. Okay. So Easter is coming, which I'm happy about, and we're gonna have some nice dinner. Last year I made some fruit baskets for the children. But I'm still gonna dye eggs though. So what I want to do is have a little something, but I'm not gonna have it while I'm still here. Dyeing eggs and stuff like that, because back in the day, from 1992 to 1994, we used to dye eggs together. Me and my family. Because a long time ago, we used to my auntie and my mom, we used to be next door neighbors. So that ended for now. I'm talking about, dyeing eggs every Easter. That ended for now. Okay. All right. So so the way I think about it, y'all. I mean, that's why I do these videos, for memories and everything. And then Dwayne, my friend, y'all seen Dwayne a few times. Okay. So y'all know Dwayne is a good person, y'all. Okay. So I do this on Facebook and I do this on live. So y'all can watch me in reruns, like I watch Lizzie Velasquez videos in reruns. I still watch them videos with Roman Arispe. So some of you know who Roman Arispe is. Some of you don't know who Roman Arispe is. Roman Arispe, he's a cool guy. Okay. So and then I heard that Lizzie Velasquez sold her house and moved back in with her parents. So my word is this: Lizzie Velasquez did the right thing. And I'm proud of Lizzie. And I would tell her, I wish I had parents that I live with. I mean, honestly, I'm happy I have a place of my own and I'm head of the household and stuff like that. But honestly, it's not the same with what my mama do. Yeah, because I mean, even though I'm low on this and that, no whatever, I'm talking about low budget on my shows and stuff like that. That's what I mean. But ain't nothing like mama. Cook for you every holiday. Cook spaghetti every now and then and stuff like that. I mean, and plus my mom's birthday is April the 26th. Life ain't the same without my mama though. Nothing like mama and stuff like that. And then my grandmother, she used to cook for her children and grandchildren every holiday as well. Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, Mardi Gras, and stuff like that. Ain't nothing like Granny. none like mommy. You know, I mean, I'm happy I got a place of my own, but I wish I would have had a place of my own when my mama was here, when my grandmother was here, so they could see how good I am, which they watching from heaven, you know. And then well, Nile, if you're watching this, please don't cry, okay? Nile, if you're watching this, I don't know where you're watching this video at. I don't know if you're watching this in my house here or elsewhere a couple of years from now, but I just have to say this. But Nala, please don't cry, okay? All right. well, the reason why I'm telling Nala don't cry because I'm about to mention her best friend that passed away June of 2016. Guy named Bug. Okay, I forgot his real name just that fast. You know. Okay, so anyway, he passed away in a collision in a car accident. You know. So I never had a chance to meet him though. You know. Just as well as I never had a chance to meet Erica's best friend, Erica. You know, I wanted to meet her because the way she used to mention Erica and stuff like that, and the way they were close though, I was saying I can't wait to meet her. You know, so I was saying that I can't wait to meet her. I really wanted to meet her, so I really did. You know. And I've known Erica since 2016, as well as I've known Brittany since 2016. You know, I wish I would have had a chance to. I wish I would have had a chance to meet her best friend. You know, unfortunately for me, you know, and I'm gonna let y'all know, she would have definitely appeared on my show, but fortunately for me, they're gonna appear on my one of some of her family members probably gonna probably appear on my show in future preferences. Good morning. Or in case you're wondering, I'm doing a show.
Oh, for WBKO or?
Oh no, on Facebook.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, cause I'm doing a Facebook Live, but I'm on YouTube. I'm uploaded to YouTube.
Very cool. Good morning, world, from NOLA.
Oh, they didn't see you.
That's all right. They can probably hear me.
Oh yeah, they can, and you know, I do shows on YouTube. I've been on YouTube since 2010.
Awesome. What's the name of the show?
Oh, my YouTube channel is Domino 866 Gameplay. Oh, that's your son?
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me, do you watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I do gaming and stuff. Yeah, do y'all want me to show y'all my YouTube channel? All right, I'll be right down to show y'all. All right, thank y'all for watching though. All right, I'll talk to y'all later.